What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Gmail in Microsoft Outlook step by step. This includes enabling two-factor authentication on your Gmail account and generating an app password that we will use to sign in on your Outlook. Let's get started. First, to enable two-factor authentication on your Gmail, go to your Gmail, then go to your account setting, manage your Google account, then go to security. Go down and first confirm that two-step verification is turned on. So let's turn on this. This will prevent hackers from accessing your account with an additional layer of security. So let's turn on this two-step verification. So now we are protected with two-step verification. So even if someone knows your password, they can't access your Gmail without the second verification step. We are done this. Let's go back, and since Google no longer allow regular password for third-party apps like Outlook, when two-factor authentication is enabled, we need to generate an app password. It is a unique password that allows Outlook to securely access your Gmail account without compromising your main password. So to generate the app password, go back to your Google account and check on your security part. You have the app password list. But since I can't find the app password on the security part, I will directly go to the URL. I will copy the URL on the description. Then type the app name. I can say it Outlook. Then create. You will see a 60-character app password. So we'll use this password to sign in on Outlook. Let's copy this. Then go to Outlook. So if it is your first time, it will prompt that to add an account. But I have already set up my work account here. So to add other account, go to File, then Add Account. Then enter your name here. And on the email address part, write your full Gmail address. Then on the password part, please use the password that we have generated. This app password will replace your normal Gmail password in Outlook. Outlook will test the connection. So after Outlook finish testing, the setup is done. So let's click on finish. Then while you open it, Outlook will synchronize your inboxes. So it may take a few minutes. Now we have successfully signed up with our Gmail account on Outlook. To sign out from your account, you can go to here, File, then Account Settings. Then you can remove your Gmail here. And that is it. Your Gmail account is now securely set up in Outlook with two-factor authentication and app password. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.